Hi, I'm Lisa Valenti, registered dietitian with Healthline. If you have diabetes, you probably have been learning about nutrition. Wherever you are in your journey, what you eat plays a big role in managing your diabetes, which is not to say you have to give up all your favorite foods. You don't. But understanding what happens in your body when you choose certain foods can help you make better choices for you. When we eat carbohydrates, they raise our blood sugar. Our bodies respond by producing insulin, which moves sugar out of the blood into our cells. But for people with diabetes, this process doesn't work as efficiently, and blood sugar levels can stay high. That's why it's key to moderate your intake of carbohydrates. Here are some simple tips to keep in mind as you're making your meals when you have diabetes. One way to think about meals is the plate method. Divide your plate in half. Build up that first half with non-starchy vegetables. Think broccoli, zucchini, salad greens, peppers, mushrooms. Now divide the second half of your plate in half again. So a quarter of your plate will be protein: chicken, beef, fish, pork, eggs, tofu. The last quarter of your plate will be carbohydrates, typically starchy vegetables like potatoes or squash or whole grains. The food also doesn't have to be plain. You want it to be yummy. Add flavor with lots of herbs, spices, citrus, vinegars. But be aware that many packaged sauces can contain high amounts of carbohydrates, so check labels. Not every meal is easy to break down into the plate method. Think of stir fries, casseroles, pizza, but you can apply the same principles of trying to eat lots of non-starchy vegetables with some protein and complex carbohydrates. Cooking at home can help you cut back on extra calories, carbs, and sodium that you'll often find in restaurant meals. And instead of focusing on what you can't have, too many carbs, it can be helpful to shift your mindset and think about all the foods you can have. Vegetables can be delicious with the right seasonings, protein is filling and versatile, and fruits, whole grains, and starchy vegetables can still be enjoyed in moderation. Eating a diabetes-friendly diet helps you stay healthy and reduce the risk of complications from your condition. Check out Healthline for more tips, recipes, and food hacks to help you manage your type 2 diabetes.